Welcome everyone. It's the 12th of July, 4:30 in the morning, and I'm going on tour, which I've been looking forward to for ages. So I've left my house, I filled up because stupidly I forgot to fill the bike up yesterday before I packed it. I'm trying to get to the train as early as possible, but I have the ticket booked for 12:36, and I woke up a bit earlier than planned because of a resident snorer. I just thought, what the hell, I'll go, chance it, see if I can get on an earlier train. So that's what I'm doing. So I probably won't record most of this because it's just, I'm literally smashing the motorway out today and probably tomorrow, so I'll do bits. But the plan is I'm aiming for the southeast of France, so the Vaucours, the Balcony roads, with Napoleon, probably Muller in all these pronunciations, but you know, who cares. So I'm aiming for there. That's where that's going to be my playground for the next 10 days, 9 nights, something like that. And then I don't really have a massive plan. I've got like a route planned, but I've not got anywhere booked accommodation wise, and the route's quite fluid, so I can chop and change as I need to. The immediate plan is to get to Troyes by bedtime tonight. So that's quite a trek because I'm coming from North Wales, so it's 200 and it's closer to 290 miles from door to door to get to Folkestone. And then I can't remember how many miles it is. It's over 300, or I think it's about 340 on the French side. So it's quite a long day, up early. That's why I haven't booked any accommodation, because if I don't get to Troyes, then it's not the end of the world. I can just try and find somewhere else a bit closer and pull in for the night and rest up, because safety's the main thing, really, you know. So yeah, so I'll nip in and out of filming, but other than that, it's motorway all the way now. Catch you later. Checked in. I was on for the 12:36 ferry. They offered me the 12:14 ferry, which I accepted. Got chatting to a bloke in the car park who was staff and said, just go through. We'll stop you if you can't get on, but we should be able to fit you on. So I've gone through and it's 11:27. So I might have saved myself an hour there, which is good. I'm not going to get too comfy because they're letting people on now, so quite easy going that. really check the passport too much either, so. Got my card ready for the tolls. Pegs came in handy. Just wait for my turn now. Hopefully see you in France. What I wanted. Get my kecks on, get my gloves on, stay dry. Good finding somewhere to get changed under. Oh, let's see if we can do this like a military operation. I don't like how it leans. Concentrate. I'm tempted to just sit here. wasn't expecting this, just rode into it, unfortunately. So it's not ideal, but all part and parcel, isn't it? God, it really is coming down. It's weird because I'm warm enough. Just getting piss wet through. Bit drier. Carrier bag over boot trick. Look where it was here. Go to the toilet before I zip all these up. Must sound like a horror show on this camera with all this bloody heavy breathing. And the rain stopped. Bloody typical. Right. Let's go for a wee. Dry my hands before I get them in these gloves. And we'll got a shifty on. Oh, why is that turned off? I don't remember turning that off. Right. Oh, too much of a lane over there for me to get this heavy lump on it. Right, waterproof to the hill. GoPro off. Wouldn't be a holiday without a GoPro malfunction, would it? God, they're shit. Weather's terrible. Although it absolutely chucked it down, and then as soon as I got my kecks on, it stopped. The sun came out. It's typical, isn't it? Anyway, that set us back 15 minutes. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get as close to Troyes as I dare, and then around tea time I'm going to stop, go to a restaurant, get a big rack of ribs and chips or steak, and while I'm doing that, look for a hotel. I've just checked the Ibis in the centre of Troyes, and that's £106 for one night. I'm really reluctant to pay that. I've seen them for around 40 or 50 quid, but I want to do it somewhere undercover, not on a service stop. You know, I'll send them where signal's patchy at best. So that's the plan. Charge it out till about tea time. Find somewhere to eat, sit down, chill out, eat, look for a hotel, see what comes up. Currently going through intermittent heavy showers at the minute, which is fine, but I'm getting an itchy nose and I have to keep lifting the visor to scratch it, and it's annoying. So all the rain hits you in the face, it's horrible.
Hi, so I've arrived at the hotel. Spent a bit more than I wanted to. I was looking at an Ibis in the city centre for £101, and I thought, you know, that was quite pricey, so I'll wait and see if it'll go down. It didn't. It sold. So I couldn't go there, which is a shame really, but to be honest with you, it's been a long day. I probably wouldn't have had much opportunity to walk around the city centre and have a look around, because I just want to get something to eat, have a drink, and then go to bed and get ready for tomorrow. So this was 124 quid. It's just on the south side of Troyes, which is actually all right for me because I'm going south from Troyes anyway. So it just means that I can just get straight on the road really. But it's an all right hotel, to be fair. It's tucked away. It's in a nice area. Bike's parked outside the reception desk. There's nowhere to kind of, you know, put a chain around anything or anything of that nature. So it's just parked outside the window of the reception desk. And the reception's 24-hour. So I'm hoping that'll be all right. It's got a disc lock on. Might put another disc lock on later. I'm not sure yet. So I booked a table at the restaurant here for 7:30. So now basically, so I'm a bit late, but there you go. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what it was like. So there's the bed, double bed. There's a desk with electronics there. Already made myself at home, as you can see, with the socks in front of the telly. Wimbledon's on as well. It's a French TV channel. Twin doors to get in. So there's the bed. And then just hanging area. Don't know what's in that door. Probably it's in the next room. And then shower, toilet, and sink. So basic, but it's clean. It's nice. Spare pillows. I love it when people put spare pillows in. That's it. So that's very quick. Right, I'm gonna go get some scran and have a few beers. Anyway, I'm tired. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna have a few beers and I'm going to bed. And then I'm up early tomorrow, making my way to Lake Geneva. Still deciding whether or not to use toll roads or normal roads. I'm going to see what the time difference is. Toll roads today were 15 quid, and then I think the second stint was £8. So, you know, it got me here, didn't it? Anyway, catch you later. Bye.